Hello everyone, I'm Ekta Sharma. I'm Assistant Professor, Biyani Group of Colleges. I welcome you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I'm here to discuss a very important topic, and it is a very essential topic for us. A few days before, I've attended a workshop, and the workshop was organized by Microsoft itself. And the workshop, let me tell you, it was about TEI, that is Technology Enriched Instruction. Viewers, the workshop was very nice, and it contains a very important and latest topics about us, and it brings a very close view of the educator as well as the learner. Well, let me give you the concept. The education and the scenario we are following nowadays, it has become very outdated. So we need to overcome the gap of 20th century learning and the 21st century learning. We need to build a bridge between the both. So the only technique by which you can build the bridge between the both is TEI, that is again Technology Enriched Instruction. Well, don't go with the name. It is just a simple technology which overcome the gap of 20th century learning and teaching methods with the 21st century learning and the 21st century teaching and learning methods. But let us give a view to TEI, that is Technology Enriched Instruction. Viewers, 21st century learning methods will bridge the gap between 20th century learning methods and 21st century learning methods. Well, it's a new concept which will include a lot of technology into your class. Basically, it's the technology who is driving your class nowadays. We can learn the concept how students, their creativity, their knowledge and their interest is going on the side of internet and technology more and more. So the traditional classrooms, they become very bored for them, So the teacher, the educator need to do what it need to do. It need to create something, an innovative idea to involve the students or the learner into the class again with the basic concept, because we cannot leave the content. We need to deliver the content but in a different way. So there are some points which we need to take care of. As you can see in the diagram here, I have mentioned 3 points. First is technology. You all are very known with the technology. The second one is content. Right now I'm talking about technology more and more, but we need to have in mind that exactly we need to deliver the content with the help of technology. So the priority first to give it to the content, then we can come to the technology, of course. The third thing is pedagogy. Well, viewers, it may be the new word for you. Pedagogy is the technique how you are delivering the knowledge to your learners, or the method you are using for delivering the knowledge. So basically nowadays we are using technology like social media, we are using Word, PowerPoint, Excel and many other things are there. Content which is written in our textbooks or we need to deliver to the students, but the pedagogy is very important. Nowadays we use discussions, question and answer, assignments, PowerPoint presentations, many techniques are there, but we need to improve more to become the 21st century learning methods. Now we need to change our pedagogy. Now there is one lack, which is a major lack of our teaching techniques, or we can say our education system. We are treating 3 of them differently, and the major part is we need this highlighted colored area. We need this intersection. Why? Because we need a part of technology as well as content and the pedagogy. So the combination of all 3, the association will become 21st century learning. If you will treat 3 of them separately, then it will not include or it will not involve your learner within the studies, because nowadays as the students that are interacting with technology, they cannot concentrate only on the textbooks. So now it is your choice how you will use 3 of the content in one way. So that's all for my side for one session. You can see the next part in part 2. Of course, thank you so much for listening to me. I'm Ekta Sharma signing off. Thank you and thank you. For more details, you can log on to our website, that is GuruKPO.com.